Hello students, today we shall study about solution of non-homogeneous partial differential equations by direct integration. Under this topic, we shall find the dependent variable which is the solution of the given partial differential equation by removing the differential operators through the process of integration. To understand this concept, let us consider an ordinary differential equation dy by dx equal to x square. Here, to find the solution for y, we integrate this with respect to x. On integration, we obtain y is equal to integration of x square with respect to x. That is integration of x square dx plus after integration we take constant of integration, it is plus c. Now we are getting solution as y is equal to x cube by 3 plus c. This is a solution of ordinary differential equation dy by dx equal to x square. Now let us see how we can find the solution of partial differential equations. Suppose if we consider the equation dou u by dou x equal to x square. Partial differential equation dou u by dou x equal to x square, where u is a function of x and y. Now the solution of this partial differential equation is u is equal to integration of x square with respect to x, that is integration of x square dx plus f of y. Since u is a function of x and y, when we integrate with respect to x, here we take constant term as f of y, where f of y is an arbitrary function of y. On integrating this, the solution becomes u is equal to x cube by 3 plus f of y. Now let us see few examples. Example 1. If u is a function of x, y, z, then the solution of partial differential equation dou u by dou x equal to x square is u is equal to integration of x square with respect to x plus f of yz. Here, since u is a function of x, y and z, when we integrate with respect to x, we have to add constant term as arbitrary function of remaining two variables, that is y and z. So here constant term is f of yz. Now we are getting u is equal to x cube by 3 plus f of yz. Let us understand one more example. Suppose u is a function of x and t. Then the solution of partial differential equation dou u by dou x equal to cos x cos t is u is equal to. Here we take u as a function of x and t. Now integrating this, we obtain u is equal to cos t term is constant because we integrate with respect to x. So it is cos t into integration of cos x dx plus we take f of t. It is an arbitrary function of t. Now we are getting u is equal to cos t into integration of cos x is sin x. So cos t sin x plus f of t. Similarly, the solution of partial differential equation dou u by dou t equal to cos x cos t, where u is a function of x and t, is u is equal to. Now here, to obtain the solution for u, we integrate with respect to t. So when we integrate with respect to t, we take constant term as f of x. So integration constant, it is arbitrary function of x. Now u is equal to cos x term is treated as constant, cos x into integration of cos t with respect to t that is integration of cos t dt plus f of x. That gives u is equal to cos x sin t plus f of x. Now we will work out few problems on solution of non-homogeneous differential equations. Question number 1. Solve dou cube z by dou x square dou y equal to cos of 2x plus 3y. Here the given partial differential equation is third order differential equation. We write it as dou by dou x of dou by dou x of dou z by dou y, because here we have dou cube z by dou x square dou y, or it can be written as dou cube z by dou x dou y. So this is equal to this, equal to cos of 2x plus 3y. Now in the first step we integrate with respect to variable x. When we integrate with respect to x, we obtain dou by dou x of dou z by dou y. So integrating with respect to x, we take y as constant. So we are getting dou by dou x of dou z by dou y equal to integration of cos of 2x plus 3y with respect to x. That is integration of cos of 2x plus 3y with respect to x, plus we take constant term as a function of y, that is f of y. On integration of cos 2x plus 3y is sin 2x plus 3y divided by derivative of 2x, that is 2, and y term is treated as constant. So it is sin of 2x plus 3y divided by 2 plus f of y. In the next step, again we integrate with respect to x. So when we integrate with respect to x, we can write dou z by dou y. Now integrating with respect to x, keeping y constant, we write dou z by dou y equal to integration of this with respect to x, that is integration of sin 2x plus 3y divided by 2 plus f of y dx. Again here, after integration with respect to x, we have to add constant term as a function of y. So I'll take it as g of y, where g of y is an arbitrary function of y. After completing this integration, we obtain integration of sin 2x plus 3y divided by 2 is, integration of sin function is minus cos. So it is minus cos 2x plus 3y divided by 2 into 2. So it becomes 4 plus next term is integration of f of y with respect to x. But integration with respect to x, y term is constant. So we write it as f of y into integration of 1 with respect to x. That will be equal to x. So integration of f of y dx is x into f of y plus g of y. So we obtain dou z by dou y equal to minus cos 2x plus 3y divided by 4 plus x into f of y plus g of y. Now next, to obtain the solution for z, in the next step we integrate with respect to y keeping x constant. So integrating with respect to y keeping x constant, we obtain z is equal to integration of this, that is integration of minus cos 2x plus 3y divided by 4 plus x into f of y plus g of y with respect to y. That is integration of minus cos 2x plus 3y divided by 4 plus x into f of y plus g of y dy. Then plus here we are integrating with respect to y, so we take constant term, integration constant as if arbitrary function of x, that is h of x. When we integrate this with respect to y, we obtain minus sine 2x plus 3y divided by 4 into, here with respect to y, integration of 3y is 3. So that is multiplied here, 4 into 3. Then plus integration of second term, integration of x into f of y with respect to y. So with respect to y, x is constant. So it is x into f of y. This is a function of y. So integration of f of y is integration of f of y dy. Plus integration of g of y with respect to y, that is integration of g of y dy. Then plus next h of x, or we write it as z is equal to minus sine 2x plus 3y divided by 12 plus next we have x into integration of f of y dy. So I will take it as x into f of y, where f of y is the integration of f of y with respect to y, and next integration of g of y dy, I will write it as g of y, where g of y is integration of g of y with respect to y plus h of x. So this is the solution of the given non-homogeneous partial differential equations. Now let us work out one more problem. Second question. Solve dou square u by dou x square equal to x plus y. Given that u is equal to y square when x equal to 0 and dou u by dou x equal to 0 when x is equal to 2. This is a given partial differential equation. We can write it as dou by dou x of dou u by dou x. It is second order partial differential equation. Dou by dou x of dou u by dou x equal to x plus y. So here in the first step we integrate with respect to x, keeping y constant. So when we integrate with respect to x, we can write dou u by dou x equal to integration of x plus y with respect to x, plus we take integration constant as arbitrary function of y because we are integrating with respect to x. So constant term, integration constant is arbitrary function of other variable, that is y. Now dou u by dou x is integration of x with respect to x, that will be x square by 2. Next integration of y with respect to x. Since y term is treated as constant, integration of y dx is constant term y into integration of dx, that is integration of 1 with respect to x, that will be equal to x. So it becomes yx plus f of y plus f of y. So dou u by dou x is x square by 2 plus yx plus f of y. You take it as equation number 1. Now to obtain the solution for u, in the next step we integrate with respect to x again. So integrating with respect to x, keeping other variable y as a constant, we obtain u is equal to integration of x square by 2 plus yx plus f of y with respect to x plus constant term, it is g of y. So we write it as u is equal to integration of x square by 2 plus yx plus f of y dx plus g of y. That will be integration of x square by 2 with respect to x is x cube divided by 2 into 3. That will be x cube by 6. Next we have yx. Integration of yx with respect to x. So integration of yx with respect to x, y is constant, and integrate x with respect to x, that gives x square by 2. So it is y into x square by 2. Next plus integration of f of y dx. Integration of f of y with respect to x. Here f of y is y term, it is constant, f of y into integration of dx, that is x plus g of y. So we are getting u is equal to x cube by 3 plus y into x square by 2 plus f of y into x plus g of y. Take it as equation number 2. Now here, using given conditions, we can eliminate the arbitrary functions f of y and g of y. It is given that dou u by dou x equal to 0 when x is equal to 2. Dou u by dou x equal to 0 when x is equal to 2. So using this condition in equation 1 here. So dou u by dou x equal to 0. So left hand side is 0. In the right hand side, when we put x is equal to 2. Here, if we put x is equal to 2, it becomes 2 square by 2. Then plus y into 2 plus f of y. That is 2 plus 2y plus f of y, or we write f of y is equal to minus 2 minus 2y, that will be minus 2 into 1 plus y. So we have obtained f of y value, that is minus 2 into 1 plus y. Next, after getting f of y, we substitute f of y in equation 2. So when we substitute f of y in equation 2, we write u is equal to x cube by 6 plus y into x square by 2 plus f of y into x, that is minus 2 into 1 plus y into x plus g of y. Now, in the given problem, we have the condition for u also. It is given that u is equal to y square when x equal to 0. U is equal to y square when x equal to 0. So using this condition, here in the above equation, we write u is equal to y square. This is y square equal to x0. When we put x0 here, this becomes 0, second term becomes 0, in the third term also this multiplied by x becomes 0. First 3 terms are zeros. Next, plus g of y. So we write y square equal to g of y, that is g of y is equal to y square. So after getting g of y, we substitute g of y here. Now we obtain the solution of partial differential equation as u is equal to x cube by 6 plus y into x square by 2 minus 2 into 1 plus y into x plus y square. We shall work out one more problem, that is question number 3. Solve dou square z by dou x square equal to xy. Subject to the conditions that dou z by dou x equal to log of 1 plus y when x equal to 1 and z is equal to 0 when x equal to 0. The given partial differential equation is dou square z by dou x square equal to xy. We write it as dou by dou x of dou z by dou x equal to xy. Now in the first step, we integrate with respect to x. Integrating with respect to x, keeping y constant, we obtain dou z by dou x. So dou z by dou x is integration of xy with respect to x. That is integration of xy with respect to x. So we are integrating with respect to x. So y term is treated as constant. So after integration, we add integration constant as a function of y, that is f of y. Now dou z by dou x is integration of xy with respect to x. So y term is constant. Y into integration of x becomes x square by 2. So y into x square by 2 plus f of y. Now we write dou z by dou x equal to y into x square by 2 plus f of y. Take this as equation number 1. Again, in the next step, we integrate with respect to x to find the solution for z. So when we integrate with respect to x, y term is treated as constant, and after integration, we have to add constant part, integration constant as a function of y. Now we are getting z is equal to integration of yx square by 2 plus f of y with respect to x. That is integration of yx square by 2 plus f of y dx plus g of y. Now we are getting z is equal to y into x cube divided by 6, because integration of y by 2 is constant and integration of x square is x cube by 3. So it is y into x cube divided by 3 into 2. That will be y x cube divided by 6 plus integration of f of y with respect to x. So f of y is constant, integration of dx is x plus g of y. Take this as equation number 2. Now we can use the given conditions. Given that dou z by dou x equal to log of 1 plus y when x is equal to 1. So using this condition in equation 1, we can write dou z by dou x, that is log of 1 plus y. So this is log of 1 plus y equal to, in the right hand side we put x value equal to 1. So it becomes y into x is 1 by 2. So it is y by 2 plus f of y. Y by 2 plus f of y. Now we write f of y as f of y is equal to log of 1 plus y minus y by 2. So after getting f of y, we can substitute f of y in equation 2. Now we are getting z is equal to y into x cube by 6 plus, here we have substituted f of y, that is log of 1 plus y minus y by 2 plus g of y. And we have one more condition, that is in the problem given that z equal to 0 when x equal to 0. Z equal to 0 when x equal to 0. So using this in the above equation, we write 0 equal to, that is z value. Z is equal to 0. So 0 equal to, here in the right hand side we put x equal to 0. Then we are getting first term 0. Next log of 1 plus y minus y by 2, that is f of y multiplied by x. Since x is 0, second term becomes 0 plus g of y, that is plus g of y. So we are getting g of y equal to 0. Now, so after getting f of y and g of y, we substitute here. Now we are getting z is equal to x cube by y by 6 plus x into log of 1 plus y minus y by 2. This is a solution of partial differential equation.